Hi, Nick Kearsey from Gradation Properties in Torquay. If you're looking for that perfect family home where all the work's been done, all you need to do is bring in your own furniture, then you're going to love living at 39 Lowtide Drive. Come with me now, let's go take a look. With 4 bedrooms and 3 living zones, this home provides plenty of space for all the family. A north-facing backyard with a great outdoor entertaining area that you will use all year round, creating lifelong memories with family and friends. Within walking distance to the new schools, easy access to the beaches, the June shopping precinct, and all that the Surf Coast has to offer. You're going to love living at 39 Lowtide Drive. I can't wait to see you at an open for inspection. I'll see you soon.